Hi, I'm Murphy, and this is a typical triple in Abbotsford Hall. So right here we've got the bathroom. You do get a private bathroom, which is really nice. And then if you want to come in here, we've got a separate room, which you can do whatever you want with this room, but we made it into a living room space. And then we have our beds bunked and then lofted. You can also get a ladder from downstairs, so I did that with my lofted bed. In here is the kitchen. It's nice to have a sink and all that, because then we can make a lot of food in here and don't have to go to the dining hall because we don't have a dining hall. Also, my favorite part about Abbotsford is just how big the rooms are. I can have time away, but also be with them and we can have fun, but it's nice that we can all just have our own space while also just coexisting together.